The tragic story of Hoúm Leis. Hoúm Leis was an artist. She made paintings and sold them for a living. Nobody wanted to buy her paintings, but she never knew why. She broke into art studios to make her art. Hoúm Leis was homeless. The only thing she could eat was raw eggs she stole from the art studio. She didn't know how to cook. She only ate one meal a day. It's so sad. One day, Hoúm Leis grew sick. She ended up in a hospital somehow. She had an awful fever of 1,111 degrees Celsius. The doctor said, "I can't help you because you're too poor." Hoúm Leis died from her unidentified illness. So tragic, oh my gosh. Oh no, why? The end. Or is it? Rest in peace, Hoúm Leis, June 18th, 2024 to June 18th, 2024.